good friends at Sternglas sent me this watch to review. This is the unboxing. Packaging is pretty straightforward. Cardboard materials are nice. Presentation is nice. This is the Sternglas Naos Edition Bauhaus 3, and it's a limited edition out of 1,999, I believe. I got number 397 out of 1,999. Cardstock feels great, really premium. First impressions of the watch is I love the minimalism. Bauhaus is a functional design method and technique that emphasizes simplicity and effectiveness. The leather strap is really nice, really unique. I love the white dial with the little pop of red and the date window. This watch is 38 millimeters, made of stainless steel with black PVD coating. If you've been watching this channel, then you know that my relationship with Sternglas runs deep. Sternglas was the first micro brand that I invested in. I started with their Sternglas Marus, the diver, and this watch to this day, still amazing and still packs a pretty mean punch, in my opinion. I love this dial. It's definitely got a Max Bill vibe. I love how Sternglas always decorates their case backs. This is the watch with the leather strap on my 6.5-inch wrist. The leather strap is really nice. It's a different design. I think because it's a limited edition, it has these cool grooves and lines inside of the leather strap. Sternglas also sent over this metal bracelet. It's the kind of bracelet that pulls on arm hairs. I will definitely report back and will let you guys know in my full review of this watch. The nice thing is the metal bracelet and the leather strap both come with quick release for easy strap replacement. And the metal bracelet is easy to adjust. And I think it looks good on this metal bracelet. This is the Naos Edition Bauhaus 3 on my 6.5-inch wrist with the metal bracelet. Thickness is great. It's a quartz movement, so they got it down really thin. I think the size at 38 millimeters is perfect for this style of watch. My first impressions is I'm really impressed with the overall finishing. Really impressed with the design. I love the simplicity of it. Bauhaus is a style that it's not for everyone, but if you're into that, I think that Sternglas is a really great place to start. I'm a fan of a lot of their watches in their lineup. Either way, I wanted to thank my friends at Sternglas for sending this over. I have a visual essay of this watch coming up in a few weeks after I get some wrist time with it. And thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.